Hi my friends, Sarah here from graceinmyspace.com. Today I'm starting a brand new project. We have a blank slate to work with and I'm excited about it. This is going to be such a fun project. I'm going to bring you guys along from start to finish. We are renovating, I'm going to use that term very loosely. We are renovating our lake cottage. We have owned it for almost a year and it doesn't need a lot. The previous owner did a lot of beautiful, really big renovations, moved an entire staircase, added the fireplace, did all kinds of work because it was a really big fixer-upper when she bought it. We've moved in, and since it just needs some cosmetic updates, I want to share how we can take a space from pretty and nice and enjoyable and just kind of put my own spin on it and just share how there's some quick things that you can do cosmetically to update a space that does not cost a lot of money. So we've owned the house for about a year, almost a year. We've done nothing to it except for add furniture. And so I'm going to show you all of the what would be considered a before. We do some cosmetic updates. It's very quaint, it's very cozy, it's already beautiful and would fit many different styles. And then I'm gonna take you along all the different updates that we do to create a space that feels more like my own. First off, we have a cozy entryway, walks out from double doors, and it walks right into a double-sided fireplace. We have a cozy living room that's adjacent to the main bedroom. The previous owner built these really unique double barn doors. I think it's cool. This is a great space-saving option. You can see that the header doesn't allow for the barn doors to go onto a wall, so she doubled them up and they go one in front of the other. Main bedroom, upstairs to the loft, and on the opposite side, we have a nice sized kitchen for such a small cottage. Just needs some cosmetic updates. This is a one bathroom, but it has double vanity sinks, which is really nice, really convenient. We'll just do some cosmetic updates here, and then it has a really nice laundry area. Next, let's head up to the loft. We have a really cozy space up here with twin beds and lots of work ahead of us. But as nice as the inside is, it's really the outside that won us over. It might be snow covered now, but just wait for the thaw. And that's the whole tour. Everything in this house is already beautiful. We've loved it for a year, and I wanted to intentionally wait that time to just live in it, to use it, to see the things that I might want to change and kind of do a really slow design process, because nothing in the house really bothered me. There was nothing that I walked in and was like, oh, I can't stand to see that. And for that reason, we didn't change anything. But now I'm ready to do some cosmetic updates, and I'm gonna take you along for the ride. And I hope that you enjoy seeing this project come together. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to follow along on the process. Ring the bell for notifications, and we're gonna start with this first. See you next time.